Hey, what's up guys? Your friend Jim here with another video. Just want to make this quick video for you guys. I'm right here working on the Montero, and I want to show you guys a trick that I learned recently. But before that, I want to thank you guys for 2024. I want to thank all the subscribers, all the likes, all the views, all the comments. Thank you guys. Let's look forward to another even better 2025. Anyway, so as I was saying, I was right here working on the Montero. It's right here. And what I was doing is I was cleaning the bottom of the center console and just cleaning that stuff up because we hadn't done that since we got the new Montero. But during that time, while I was doing that, the battery went dead. So if you can see, I'll turn the camera over here. So if you can see, it still has a little bit of power, but if I go to crank it, nothing. So the battery doesn't have power to crank over the engine. So yeah, if you need like a quick jump start, a boost start, you can use one of these batteries from your DeWalt drill with a couple of jumper cables just to get it started. These batteries are 20 volts, but they do the trick. You just got to insert a couple of pennies, one right there and one on this side. Hard to do this with one hand, like that. So see that one is positive and the one on the right is negative. So we can put it right there. We can go from positive, to the battery right here, and the other terminal, negative to the negative terminal of the battery. And let's try it. Let's see if it starts. Boom. See? Now these jumper cables are pretty thin, so they do get hot because obviously they're transferring a lot of current. So if you have some thicker ones, that's better. But as you can see, even these little guys did the trick. Let me disconnect this real quick. So yeah, even these little jumper cables did the trick to start the Montero. So you know, see, that's pretty cool, because a lot of times, you know, you have to have one of those big boosters or whatever, or get a jump start from another vehicle, but just use your battery from your drill, and that does the trick just to get it started. All right guys, once again, happy new year, have a good one. I got more videos coming up this year, and thank you guys, appreciate it. See ya.